The hammering process for many of us is simple. For some, we come to him all bitter. And he takes us from bitterness to better. Some of us come to him, need to be forgiven, and he takes us from being forgiven to becoming a forgiving person. And that's a hard process. Some of us are self-centered when we come to God, and he changes us, and he makes us to be God-centered. Some of us are angry. We don't even know why we're angry. And he says, I'm going to tenderize and make you something you never thought you could be. For some of us, he changes us from being a rebellious kid to a loving parent. And he does that by giving you a kid. He changes us from greedy to generous, from fearful to courageous. He changes us from addicted failure to a disciplined follower of Jesus Christ. That hammering process changes us.